portable door lock is a very simple, small lock to lock your doors. Let's say you're in a hotel and you don't trust the locks in the hotel room, or you just want to keep your little private area a little bit more private with no siblings, no animals in your room, and they can open, some of them can open the door. Well, this is a perfect thing. So when the door's locked, the door's actually locked, not the handle itself. Like when everyone's trying to open the handle by twisting it and rotating it, it won't budge at all. This will just manually lock the door closed with or without the handle. And this is how you do it. I'll show you one more time. So since my door is kind of like a square type, or this thing, it doesn't fit because there's two different types of doors, you place this on the doorknob like that to connect it. The hook. You close the door and this thing should stay still. You see this back thing, make sure it's on the bottom so then it can lock properly. Put the lock thing on this hole, then push it down to the door. But just like that, it should be like that, and you should be able to open the door. Perfect for hotel rooms, your own room, if you don't have a lock because your parents won't allow you, and much more. And it's easy to take it off. Just do the same thing. I'll show you closer. So this thing is supposed to go on the bottom, goes through this hole, then you push it down, which locks it. So then you can't take this off when people are trying to push the door open, it won't let you. So you can just like push it back down, find the hole, and take it back out. Easy.